Hello everyone. We are the students of Rameshwaram Institute of Technology and Management of PFARM 4th year representing a small video on topic COVID-19. Hello everyone. Myself Divyani Singh. I am here to give an overview of COVID-19, which is caused by coronavirus. It belongs to the family of Coronaviridae of genome ssRNA. Coronavirus is derived from a Latin word corona meaning crown, have viral spikes, first discovered by Almeida and David Tyrrell. Average diameter of virus particle is around 125 nanometer, that is 0.125 micrometer. It ranges from common cold to Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is a zoonotic disease that spread especially from bats, pangolins, etc. Incubation period ranges from 1 to 12 days, average of 5 to 6 days. Clinical features is it ranges from no symptoms, asymptomatic to severe pneumonia and death.
Hello guys, I myself Hussein Tripathi. Today we will discuss about the symptoms of COVID-19 which are in the decreasing order of prevalence. First one is fever, dry mouth, fatigue, sputum production, shortness of breath, malaise, sore throat, headache, chills, nausea and vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, hemoptysis, conjunctival congestion.
Corona se Darona. Myself Sakshi Shrivastava here describes the prevention of COVID-19. Wash your hands often, at least 20 seconds. Avoid any close contact with people. Cover your mouth and nose with mask, and especially when you sneeze or cough. Thoroughly wash any vegetable or fruits before use. Use immunity booster foods like tulsi and ginger. Use vitamin C rich fruits. Use more and more turmeric in your food. Avoid cold products. And in case of any discomfort or symptoms, immediately visit your doctor. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Khalid. Today I will discuss about treatment of COVID-19. Nothing has been postulated officially. Hospitalization only for severe cases. There is two types of treatment. First one is supportive treatment. In this we are maintaining airways, maintaining breathing, circulation and maintaining body temperature. Another is ventilation and isolation as well as correction of electrolyte imbalance. Then second treatment known as drugs. Drugs used as such as antiviral drugs like tocilizumab, anakinra, remdesivir, leponavir, ritonavir and favipiravir. And also antimalarial drugs are used known as hydroxychloroquine. Note, there is no certain specific treatment protocol by WHO.
Coping and support in COVID-19 disease. During this time, remember to take care of yourself and manage your stress. First of all, eat healthy meals and get enough sleep. Get physical activity as you are able to, such as using exercise and yoga videos. If you are healthy, go outside on a walk. Try to relaxation and exercise such as deep breathing and stretching and meditations. Avoid watching or reading too much newspaper and spending too much time on social media. Connect with friends and families such as with phone or video calls. Do activities you enjoy such as reading books and watching funny movies. Thank you.
Corona is the revenge of Mother Nature. So learn from your mistake for your better future. Stay home, save lives, help stop coronavirus. Thank you.